Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. I hope that you are having a great day. I am making this video. I'm recording this video to explain how you are going to be doing your evidence one of ecology and geography. This evidence is going to be delivered on September 26th. That is going to be the last day you guys are going to have to send me that evidence. And as you probably know, evidences have a higher amount of points, a higher score in your final grade of the semester, okay? So that's the reason why it's very important that you guys do this evidence correctly and follow the instructions, okay? So I'm going to share the process on how to do this evidence. Okay, so when you go to Canvas, you will open your course of ecology and geography. And here you're gonna go to, okay, my course, module 1, okay, since this is the first evidence of the first module. And here you're gonna go to evidence 1, okay? Click here. And then you're gonna have here the instructions, all right? Number 1, create a graphical representation. It can be a drawing, a model, or a scheme in digital format of the solar system, the sun, the moon, the earth, and its structure, where you have to include the following elements. A, the solar system and its components. B, the sun layers and their importance. C, the moon phases and their effects. D, Earth's structure, layers, including its movements. Okay, in this case, this, which is the letter D, you don't have to do a representation of this one because you already did it previously on one of your activities on that topic. If you already sent that drawing of the Earth's layers to me, then it's not necessary to do it all over again, okay? And E, consequences of the tectonic plate movements, such as geological eras, landforms, volcanism, and seismicity, okay? So you're gonna define these concepts, all right, in a graphical way, with drawings, with pictures, okay? The second part of the evidence is you're gonna just answer these questions. Why is geography a multidisciplinary science? Which are the main landforms and how are they differentiated? You are gonna find all of these answers on Canvas, okay? It's not necessary for you to search or research on Google or the internet for extra information since you already have all of what you're gonna need here on Canvas, okay? In the explanation of each topic. The letter C, which are the different map kinds and when can we use them? You can find that on topic number 2 of this module. D, why are there different cartographical projections? Okay, so you're going to explain the reason why we need different types of map projections, which also you can find on topic 2. E, which are the geographical methods used to study Earth? The methodological principles, we also studied that on topic 2. Also, you can find the answer to that, the methodological principles, okay? So that's what you guys are going to be doing for the evidence 1. Look, careful. When it says that you have to show a digital scheme or a picture or a drawing of each of these things, solar system, sun layers, it's not that you are gonna go to the internet and find a picture of solar system. And with that, you guys are gonna be having the picture. Okay, I have the picture here and there you go. I'm gonna copy or I'm gonna save the picture and just paste it in my document. No, okay? It doesn't consist on that. You have to If you want to draw it, you draw it. If you want to represent that with a scheme, what is a scheme? Okay, let me share with you what a scheme is. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is another example of something you can do as a digital scheme, or it can be also done by hand physically and then taking the picture and then include it in your document. Here, for example, you have the solar system. This one is in Spanish, but it's just as an example. And then it includes the different elements of the solar system, which are satellites, asteroids, comets, you know, all of the things that we already learned in that topic. And also, if you want, you can draw it, but remember to represent, like I said before, the different, not only the planets conform the solar system, right? You know, asteroids, comets, satellites, meteoroids, etc. The rubric that we're going to be taking in account to grade this evidence is the following. So here you have delivered the evidence according to the evaluation criteria included in the following rubric, okay? So if we open the rubric, you are gonna get 100 points of excellent if you, for example, in the solar system, in a description of the components, if you do the graphical representation and contain at least 6 solar system components. Each component explanation is clear and relevant. And the points will be lowering and lowering depending on what you do in your evidence. Then the number 2 includes the sun's components, the phases of the moon, and identify their importance. You are gonna get 20 points in this part if the graphical representation has the 6 components of the sun and the 4 phases of the moon clearly and correctly represented. Then 3, identifies the structure, parts, and consequences of Earth's movements. What you can do in this one is to only identify the Earth's movement, which are rotation and revolution, okay? And consequences for life on Earth of these movements. One, we'll go to the 4th one, identifies the consequences of the tectonic plate movements. You will get 20 points if your representation is clear and you include the 4 consequences and the description of each is clear and complete. Finally, 5, answers the post question. So at the end, you will be able to have, if you do everything correctly, you will have a total of the 100 points, okay? So good luck. If you have any questions, please let me know on inbox. I'm all the time checking my inbox on Canvas. So you can communicate with me anytime you need it. Tomorrow, that is Wednesday, also you can tell me and we can get a Zoom meeting because it's the day of counseling sessions, o sea, asesorías, from 5 to 6. Remember that that time is available for all of you, okay? So have a nice day, and I hope that you can get started with your evidence since you guys will only have like a week to do this, all right? Bye-bye.